just finished adding my primer, guys, and this is the Maybelline in Hydrate and Smooth. So I do have dry skin, so that's why I use a lot of hydrating products on my skin. So I like to make sure that my pencil for my eyebrows is really sharp. That way it comes out really nice. So to do my eyebrows, I just start by using the brush at the end of the eyebrow pencil. Brush my eyebrows in an upward position. And then I just take my eyebrow pencil and I outline my eyebrows top and bottom. So I take it, go like this. And I'm very light with the strokes. I do not press hard on the pencil since this pencil is very concentrated. And then I go to the top and go straight across. Make sure the line is nice and straight. And after I'm finished outlining it, I just take the pencil and I go in an upward position. So start from the front, go up, up, really light. And I don't do it all over, I just fill in like the spaces that has gaps. And after I have finished filling them out, I just take the Rimmel London brow gel, and this is in the color Clear, and I just go over that eyebrow with this gel just to set it in place. And this helps to blend the color in as well, so the lines isn't as harsh. It softens it up. And after I'm finished with my eyebrows, I just take the LA Pro Girl concealer. This is in the color Fawn, like that. I do not put it directly under my eyes. A little bit right here. I like to cover my mustache. Go down the bridge of my nose. Really gently. So this is how my face looks. And then I just take my fingers to blend out the concealer under my eyebrows. I find that my fingers give me a much more precise blending. So this is how my eyebrows look, and now it's time to blend out my concealer under my eyes and all over my face. So I just take a dry sponge. I find that a dry sponge works better for me. I just do it in a dabbing motion. I'm gonna put a little bit on my eyelids as well, just to brighten it up. I just blend out the bridge of my nose as well. So right now for my powder, I am using this Studio Fix MAC. And this is in the color NW46. So I just take a brush like this. This is a foundation brush, I think. Or a powder brush. Yeah, this is a powder brush. And I just dab it in there like that. Do it all over my face, like that. Okay, so to give my foundation a natural finish so it doesn't look like really powdery, it just sinks into my skin well, I then take the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. I love the Dewy. The Dewy just gives me a nice natural glow. This is the magic part of my makeup routine. I love this part. This is my favorite part. I just feel like it adds all the magic. So now I apply my liquid eyeliner, and I'm using the Revlon Color Stay. This is in the color Black. Okay, so after the eyeliner, I use the Revlon. This is my favorite mascara of all time. The Revlon Ultimate All-in-One. This is in the color Black is Black. I love this mascara. What am I saying? I love this mascara. It's so bomb. I love that the brush is really tiny because I have really small, scarce eyelashes. Okay, so this is how my makeup looks so far. And now I have to do my lips. So for my lip liner, I'm using the NYX lip liner right here. This is in the color Dark Brown. I've been so obsessed with the NYX Butter Gloss. So I either use the Butter Gloss in Angel Food Cake or I use the Butter Gloss in Praline. So I'm going to be going with the Praline today. Yeah, guys, this is the end of my simple glowy makeup routine. Thank you all so much for watching. Leave some comments down below. Let me know what you think about my makeup routine. Do you like it? Do you not? Don't forget to give this video a rating and subscribe for weekly videos. Bye-bye.